Hello, this is Sean Power, and I will be presenting an overview on the Data-Informed Solution Plan for T-Mobile USA. T-Mobile is now the second most popular carrier in the US, with more than 106 million subscribers. The company has extended its 5G coverage with the recent acquisition and merger of Sprint's network. With the top rank in customer satisfaction, the company pulled in $68.4 billion in 2020. With more connected devices than ever before, wireless service providers are looking to expand their footprint. With edge computing becoming more important, telecom companies are deploying in data centers and using cloud-based networking tools to reduce latency and improve speeds. A pestle analysis is a useful way to understand the macro climate that T-Mobile currently operates in. Political impacts include the wireless regulations and authority of the National Telecommunications and Information Administration. Economic concerns include the government spending on 5G infrastructure and how T-Mobile can forecast consumer demands. Next, evaluating the social environment, T-Mobile should note shifts in customer behaviors and how COVID-19 can cause strains to the network. Technological advancements have large competitors building fiber networking closer to the edge and developing IoT products. The legal considerations T-Mobile must make include the requirements of the FCC surrounding the Sprint acquisition. Environmentally, providers can help business-to-business customers improve sustainability with logistics products that reduce their physical footprint. Next, let us compare T-Mobile's strengths and weaknesses. T-Mobile continues to win awards such as the J.D. Power Award in customer care and has global recognition with German parent company Deutsche Telekom. However, T-Mobile ranks third place in speed and reliability according to Root Metrics, and T-Mobile is relatively new, only entering the U.S. market in mid-2008. When looking at the company's opportunities, we know the at-home consumption of broadband during business hours is up 41% according to Fitch Solutions. This is accompanied by threats from companies like Bosch and Siemens, both developing their own edge services for the future of IoT. The new T-Mobile has a challenge to retain customers while consistently improving network capacity. T-Mobile has an opportunity to capitalize on the increased needs of 5G for business, home, and mobile customers. They can do so by proactively managing network resources and creating new analytics capabilities to allow for quicker decision-making. The proposed solution is for T-Mobile to create a new division, the T-Mobile Data Analytics Group, or TDAG. First, the new team will be tasked with moving legacy systems to a cloud-based architecture with Azure. Next, TDAG will gather data sources by collaborating with teams using enterprise data management and Mike 2.0 practices to ensure their connected data lake is sourcing the appropriate data. Finally, they will develop an algorithm that accurately predicts where the core T-Mobile network will need resource allocation. While TDAG deploys new applications, existing tools will continue to function via APIs. One impact to the organization will be the gradual dismantling of company servers used for data storage. Other operational changes will be the company's newfound focus on data governance and emphasis on data security. The first year of the project begins in Q4 2021 and includes developing the project charter, hiring of data analysts, project managers and engineers, data gathering and training, and launch preparation. Year 1 culminates with the establishment of an executive dashboard in Power BI by Q4 2022. With the recent acquisition of Sprint, T-Mobile has increased liabilities and the need to provide quality assurance to more customers. Although revenue has increased in 2020, income has decreased 11.65% over fiscal year 2019. If T-Mobile can't meet the demand for network speed and reliability, it will lose customer share. In the future state, T-Mobile will minimize risk with improved security, utilize analytical methods that improve costs, and predictive models to understand where to invest dollars into its network. T-Mobile should not expect the project to generate a positive ROI until 2026, when the increases in network capacity and a lower cumulative churn will lead to higher financial outcomes. To get there, TDAG will hire a VP of Data Analytics to oversee a team of data analysts, engineers, and project managers. The team will begin a continuous implementation process using Mike 2.0 to improve data governance and deployments. Data will be collected from multiple structured and unstructured sources, such as T-Mobile's network tools, billing systems, CRMs, and financial information. After scheduled ingestions using Data Factory, TDAG will load data into a data lake environment where it will train the data using Azure ML. Lastly, the team will provide different reporting environments in Power BI based on each user's individual use case. The goal in implementing TDAG's data solution is generating a model that effectively lowers network operating costs and deploys resources when and where they are needed. Azure ML allows for models to be built on trained data and scored so that the team can select the highest performing application. TDAG will use additional data analysis to improve results. Regression and clustering will allow the team to predict where to invest in marketing, predict needs for expansion planning, and determine what mix of network allocation leads to the best network resiliency. Furthermore, these analytics will help T-Mobile decide which network enhancements are directly improving customer churn. The team will produce a high-level executive dashboard in Power BI. With this dashboard, the executive team can view the labor and capital expenses invested in specific markets and how those investments can help improve retention efforts. The cost to develop the ML model and applications used to accurately forecast and improve resource planning will be close to $29 million, spanning across 8 years. A bulk of the cost requirements for this effort are the salaries for the engineers, analysts, and managers, totaling almost $22 million. The company can expect hard dollar revenue increases from improved network capacity and improvements to the network, set at reducing churn by 2.5% each year. Soft dollar benefits include a reduction of costs in data warehouse management and server maintenance. With an ROI of 136% and risk avoidance built into every step of the project's implementation, T-Mobile can improve financial management by ensuring capital expenditures increase profitability and satisfy shareholders. With the immediate need for T-Mobile's network capacity to support the increases to 5G broadband usage in the US, T-Mobile has an opportunity to drive satisfaction with smart resource planning. This concludes today's presentation. Thank you for your time.